HOD sir, program coordinator, esteemed resource persons, dear faculty members. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the voluntary program of the AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy sponsored 1 week faculty development program on smart manufacturing and engineering management in the era of Industry 4.0. This week has been a journey of learning, innovation, and insightful discussion that enhanced an understanding of Industry 4.0 technologies and their applications in engineering and management. Let us now proceed towards today's program. Before that, I would request Dr. R.K. Pohane sir, HOD of Mechanical Department, to kindly present a sampling to our principal sir. To begin with this program, I would like to invite Dr. S.P. Dav sir, Program Coordinator, to present the summary of the FDE and share key highlights of this 1 week program. So,
Good afternoon to all of you. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Dr. A.M. Shetty sir, Principal of PBSOE, Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. R.K. Pohane sir, my colleague and co-coordinator of this FDP, Dr. A. Anjikar sir, all the Head of Department, Dean and my dear participants. It gives me a immense pleasure to present a brief summary of AICT Atal FDP on smart manufacturing and engineering management in the era of Industry 4.0, organized by the Department of Mechanical Engineering during 15 to 20 December 2025. The FDP was designed with the objective of upgrading faculty expertise in engineering, manufacturing technology and modern engineering management practices. Over the past 1 week, the program provided a participant with the comprehensive exposure to Industry 4.0 enabled such as IoT, robotics, AIML, data analytics, while effective bridging the traditional manufacturing system with digital transformation through automation, connectivity, and smart decision making. Equal emphasis was placed on engineering management domain like operation, supply chain, quality, and project management relevant to the smart industrial environment. The FDP comes with inspiring inauguration session on 15 December, graced by our chief guest, Mr. Narendra Satkade, DGM of Mahindra and Mahindra, Nagpur, who highlighted the urgent need of industry academia collaboration in Industry 4.0 era. The program was presided over by our principal sir and guest of honor, Honorable Dr. A.M. Shende sir, who highlighted the role of autonomous institution in driving innovation and outcome-based education. The academic session began with the thought-provoking plenary session by the principal of Suryodaya College of Engineering, Dr. Vijay Araspure sir, who elaborated on future of manufacturing in Industry 4.0, followed by the director of the SP Earthwork Solution Limited, Mr. Tahir Sayyad, who discussed the practical challenges of adopting smart manufacturing in Indian country. The day concluded with the article discussion, hands-on training activity, setting the tone for the interactive FDP. On day 2, participants were introduced to the fundamental of the smart manufacturing system by founder and director of the Enlightened the Soul, Mr. Vinay Chawla. This was followed by an insightful session by our Honorable Principal Sir, Dr. Shende sir, who effectively connected Industry 4.0 with NAP 2020 accreditation framework and engineering education practices. The day concluded with the engineering management essential delivered by the Mr. Ashish Taiwade, strengthening the managerial perspective among the faculty members. Day 3 focus on advanced technology, where Vice President of the Bajaj Steel Limited, Mr. Nitin Bagokar sir, provided industry-driven insightful or robotics and automation in smart factory. This was completed by the session on optimization tool and technique of decision making by the FDP coordinator, enabling practices to understand analytical and qualitative approach in smart manufacturing involvement. On day 4, the training and placement officer of the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Mr. M.R. Shukla sir, presented an integrated view of lean manufacturing, Six Sigma and agile practices aligned with the Industry 4.0, followed by the manager of the Alan Smith Engineering Private Limited, Mumbai, Dr. Vivek Vaidya, who explained the fundamental and enabling technology of Industry 4.0, bridging the theory with industrial application. Day 5 highlighted the curriculum transformation, where Director of the Mankind Training Services Private Limited, Mr. Manoj Chauhan, give the strategy for the integrating Industry 4.0 concept into the engineering curriculum. The day concluded with the highly enriched industrial visit at Bajaj Steel Industry Limited, Nagpur, which give a participant a real-time exposure to smart manufacturing practices. On the final day, Dr. C.C. Anda sir conducted a valuable session on the time and stress management, focusing on personal and professional effectiveness. This was followed by the article summary, MCQ-based assessment and reflective journal, ensuring the holistic learning and outcome assessment. I am confident that the knowledge and skill acquired during this FDP will empower participants to contribute effectively to teaching, research and professional practice, while developing leadership and strategic thinking capability required in today's rapidly evolving engineering landscape. This FDP successfully achieved its objective by enhancing participant understanding of smart manufacturing technology, engineering management practice, curriculum innovation and Industry 4.0 readiness. The blend of expert lecture, various hands-on training session, article discussion, industrial exposure made this program highly impactful and relevant. At the last, I just say that Industry 4.0 is not mainly about the smart machine. Industry 4.0 is not only about the smart machine, but about the smart mind that design, manage and continuously improve them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for that comprehensive and inspiring summary. Next, I request our respected head of department, Dr. R.K. Puhane, sir, to share his valuable thoughts and words of encouragement.
धन्यवाद. आदरणीय मंचावर उपस्थित आदरणीय प्रिन्सिपल डॉक्टर शेंडे सर, कार्यक्रमाचे कोऑर्डिनेटर डॉक्टर डाब सर, को-कोऑर्डिनेटर डॉक्टर अंजिकर सर आणि उपस्थित सर्व शिक्षकवृंद, तुम्हाला नमस्कार. हा जो आपण FDP प्रोग्राम घेतला 15 तारखेपासून 20 पर्यंत, हा अत्यंत सुंदर प्रोग्राम मेकॅनिकल डिपार्टमेंटने घेतला आणि त्यामध्ये ज्या फॅकल्टींनी सहकार्य दिलं त्या सर्वांचे धन्यवाद. आपण या प्रोग्रामचं नावच असं होतं की ते फॅकल्टी डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोग्राम. तर अब्दुल कलामांना त्यांच्या सहकार्याने विचारलं होतं की सर तुम्हाला कुठल्या नावाने ओळखलं झालं पाहिजे. त्यांनी पुष्कळ अब्दुल कलामांनी पहिले त्यांना सहकार्याला विचारलं होतं, ते त्यांनी पुष्कळ उत्तर दिलं की मी स्मार्ट असलो पाहिजे, मी छान असलो पाहिजे, कुठल्याही प्रश्नाचं उत्तर मला देता आलं पाहिजे वगैरे वगैरे. पण एक दिवस त्या सहकार्यांनी अब्दुल कलामांनाच विचारलं की सर तुम्हाला कुठल्या नावाने ओळखता आलं पाहिजे. ते म्हणे मी राष्ट्रपती असो काही असो, मला फक्त टीचर म्हणून ओळखता आलं पाहिजे. तर तुम्हाला आपणही ह्याचं की आपण एक सगळे टीचर आहोत, तर आपण एक टीचर या नावाने ओळखल्या गेलो पाहिजे. आणि त्याच्यासाठीच हा सगळा सुंदर प्रोग्राम होता. तेव्हा सर्वात तुम्हाला धन्यवाद आणि तुमचा निरोप घेतो. थँक्यू.
Thank you, sir. Now we move on to the one and most important segment of the program, feedback from our faculty participants. I request a few participants to kindly share their experiences, learning outcomes, and suggestions regarding this FTP.
Sir, can I speak for 5 to 7 minutes?
As you wish.
Sir, because I have to give my views regarding all the 6 days.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Honorable Principal Dr. Shinde sir, PBCOE, and Program Chairperson also. Respected Organizing Committee members, Dr. Pohani sir, HOD Mechanical Engineering Department and convener also of this FTP. Dr. Duff sir, coordinator of this program. Dr. Anjikar sir, co-coordinator of this program, all the faculties of Mechanical Engineering Department and other departments of PBCOE, as well as all dear participants, my colleagues from various institutions and various departments. Good afternoon to all of you. I am Mrs. N.D. Deshnukh, HOD of Electronics Engineering Department from PBCOE Diploma. Feel immense pleasure and honor to stand before you today to share my feedback on this 6-day FDP program organized by Mechanical Engineering Department of Priyadarshini Bhagwati College of Engineering, an autonomous institution affiliated to RTM University and sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning, that is ATAL. First and foremost, I would like to sincerely congratulate the organizing committee members for conceptualizing and successfully organizing this wonderful program and well-structured, informative as well as impactful FDP. Organizing a multi-day academic program requires dedication, teamwork and meticulous planning, and this program is true reflection of all these efforts. Over past 6 days, we have had an opportunity to engage with wide range of contemporary topics. Like on 15th of December we had, like Duff sir has told already, on 15th of December the first lecture was conducted on future of manufacturing in industry 4.0 by Dr. V.G. Arjapuri sir, who is principal of Surya College of Engineering. He very comprehensively covered all the topics and we have understood it very well. The second topic was challenges in adopting smart manufacturing in India by Tahir Sayyed sir, who is director of SP Earthquake Solutions. On the second day, that is on 16th of December, we had a first session of Shri Vinay Chawla sir, who is founder and director of Enlighten the Soul in Nagpur. His topic was Introduction to Smart Manufacturing Systems. In his presentation, he very effectively explained how to understand your hidden power, breaking the barriers, how to fix and decide our short-term goals as per our potential, and how to come out of comfort zone to work towards our goal. He emphasized that there is no substitute to hard work done daily to reach the perfection. The next session, after lunch session, next session was very informative and conducted by our honorable principal sir, Dr. Shinde sir, on translating industry 4.0 into engineering education practices in EP 2020 and accreditation as enablers. It was actual practical approach of the topic to the academics. Thanks sir for your very informative session. The post-lunch session on the second day was by Shri Ashish Taiwade sir on engineering management essentials for smart manufacturing. He covered many concepts with principles of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj as management guru. We really enjoyed his session very much, sir. On 17th of December, the first session was delivered by Shri Nitin Bhagavkar sir, Vice President Bajaj Steel Industries on robotics and automation in a smart factories, followed by post-lunch session presented by Dr. S.P. Duff sir, coordinator of this FDP on optimization tools and techniques of decision making. The session was very nicely delivered and appreciated by all the participants. On 18th of December, the first session was conducted by Dr. Iman Shukla on lean manufacturing, Six Sigma, agile in industry, and was meticulously covered. He covered all the topics very hilarious way, and all of us enjoyed this session. The post-lunch session was also nicely covered by Vivek Vaidya sir, manager, Alan Smith Engineering Private Limited. On 19th, that is yesterday, Dr. Duff sir conducted session on industry pro software, that is hands-on training. We also had a visit to their mechanical engineering, dynamics of machines laboratory. Dr. Pohane sir, along with Dr. Pimpalgaonkar sir, gave us a very informative demonstration on profile projector. Thank you, Pohane sir. The post-lunch session was an industrial visit to Bajaj Steel Industries, where we also got an opportunity to go, and our faculty really enjoyed the visit at Bajaj Steel. Today, that is on 20th of December, the first session was conducted by Dr. C.C. Handa sir, and Executive Director of VIT, Umred, on time and stress management, and it was conducted really wonderfully. The second session was conducted by Manoj Chawla sir, and we also enjoyed his session. Sir, each session was thoughtfully planned, balancing the theoretical concepts with the practical insights given by Mechanical Engineering Department's HOD and the faculty of Mechanical Engineering Department. Dr. Duff, Dr. Anjikar sir, this made learning more enjoyable and effective. All resource persons deserve a special appreciation too. I wholeheartedly thank our principal Dr. Shende sir, Dr. Pohane sir, for inviting us, that is the Polytechnic faculty of our college, to this FDP. We also thank Dr. Duff sir, Dr. Anjikar sir for constantly being in touch with us throughout all these 6 days. And special thanks are also due for nice hospitality and tasty lunch. Sir, one more thing I want to mention here, that even if I belong to the faculty of Electronics Engineering Department and my colleagues all are also from Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Computer, Information Technology, Science, but we did not feel that we are not of the Mechanical Engineering, so we are having any difficulty, because it was like it is an interdisciplinary FDP, and we really understood everything and we also enjoyed it. So we are thankful to you for that. Such exposure is extremely valuable for us faculty members, as it empowers us to deliver the better education, mentor students effectively, and contribute meaningfully to the institutional growth. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again, all of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for honest and encouraging feedback.
Very good afternoon to respected dignitaries on the dais. Dr. Shinde sir, here Principal of the College of Engineering, Dr. Pohane sir, Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering, and Coordinator of this program, Dr. Duff sir and Dr. Anjika sir. Myself, Rupali Shrikant Dukar from Mechanical Engineering Department, EC. I would like to express my feedback regarding this FDP. So that Atal FDP that is organized by this college, and the teamwork was very well structured and effectively organized. The session was delivered by the resource person who demonstrated a strong subject expertise and presented content in a very systematic manner. The program provided, which gives a valuable insight into the contemporary development in the field, and which is good for the academic improvement of the faculties as well as for the students. The overall design of the FDP, which is contributed significantly to enhancing the research orientation, and the program was academically enriching and beneficial for the professional development. Again, I would like to request all the coordinators arrange such a types of program FDP in your college, so that will be beneficial for faculty as well as the student in improve the academic research. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. We now move towards the certificate distribution ceremony, the most awaited moment for our participants. I request Principal Dr. A.M. Shende sir to kindly distribute certificates to the faculty members who have successfully completed and participated in this FD program. Mrs. Rupali Tukkar, Priyadarshini College of Engineering, Nagpur. Mrs. Ashwini Devkate, Ms. Pooja Ahir, Dr. Rahul Goyer, Mrs. Sonal Balan, Mrs. Neelam Deshmukh, Dr. Tushar Sakhe, SB Jain Institute of Technology, Management and Research. Mr. Vikas Mankar, Mrs. Pranjali Shivsagar, Ms. Madhuri Bogade, Mr. Omkar Satpathy, Mr. Gaurav Mohite, SB Jain, Institute of Technology Management and Research. Mr. Bharaj Mohankar, Ms. Nehal Saklekar, Dr. Saroj Bolkar, Dr. Amita Thakur, Dr. Rohini Parai, Mr. Akshay Narite, Radhika Tai Pandav College of Engineering, Nagpur. Dr. S.A. Pipalgaonkar, Rahul Elgiwasa, It is now my proud privilege to invite our respected principal, Dr. A.M. Shende sir, to address the gathering and bless us with his guidance.
Thank you. Dignitary present on the dais, Dr. Kohani sir, Head Mechanical, Convener of this FDP, Dr. Shailesh sir, Co-Coordinator, Dr. Akshay Jikar sir, all the special faculties who involved in the FDP, because without your involvement, FDP possibility hota. And yesterday also I told faculty is the backbone of any institute, whether it is from Bhagwati, whether it is from Priyadarshini, whether it is from Pandava, any. faculty is the backbone of any institute, and if we strengthen faculty, definitely it percolates to a student, and the quality of our institute is automatically upgraded. So first, big round of applause for all the participants. Of the dais, I recognize COE or head of the department, deans, pillars of our PGLC, and again what I say कि जो आपका पार्टिसिपेशन था, what देशमुख मैडम की तरफ देख के तो मुझे लगता है कि मैडम से मैंने भी कुछ सीखना चाहिए, हम सबने भी, the way she attended 100% lectures और जो हिसाब से उन्होंने वो समराइज किया कि in every lecture what madam learn, what she grasped, really creditable ma'am. So बहुत अच्छा लगा. Special thanks to AICT who always taking care of faculty development program, who sponsored FDP. Now we are in valedictory. It's a happy moment for any organizer, any principal of the institute, because valedictory means a success of all 515 to 20 का जो journey है उसका success, it's come to valedictory function. So, but again what फैकल्टी जो सबसे पहले जिन्होंने एफडीपी में पार्टिसिपेट किया और जिन्होंने प्रियदर्शनी भगवती कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग पे टच दिखाया, उसके लिए फिर से मैं उनका सबका तहे दिल से आभारी हूँ. यू थिंक कि प्रियदर्शनी, यू आर नॉलेज थ्रस्ट अनडाउटेडली, बट यू बिलीव दैट प्रियदर्शनी भगवती कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर नॉलेज थ्रस्ट. यस, आई थिंक our coordinator and we from our side taking care of your knowledge thirst. Care की नहीं आपके knowledge की. Yes or no? Yes or no? जबरदस्ती बुलवा रहा हूँ मैं आपसे. Okay. But second, being a principal of this institute, I thanks all the speakers who all the way come to Priyadarshini Bhagwati College of Engineering. And most important, what I observed in this FDP, academicians are very less. Industry persons सबसे ज़्यादा थे. What today's need to strengthen the academic and industry, they proved by our mechanical engineering department. Big round of applause for coordinator and co-coordinator. FDP complete is complete credit. It's a teamwork of mechanical engineering department with discipline, patience, and your hard working. Undoubtedly, ये पार्ट टीम का शो नहीं है. ये अलग-अलग हांडा सर को बुलाना या इंडस्ट्री के बजाज के एमडी को बुलाना या ओनर जो है इंडस्ट्री से महिंद्रा के डीजीएम को बुलाना, इट्स नॉट ए जोक. जो सब क्योंकि उसके लिए कंटिन्यूअस फॉलोअप लगता है, उसके लिए उनका टाइम और द वे व्हाट आई से इट्स व्हाई इट्स अ डिसिप्लिन. बिकॉज आपने देखा होगा कि 15 तारीख से लेकर 20 तारीख में ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि कोई एक्सपर्ट नहीं आए. ऐसा अगेन मींस देयर इज अ गॉड ग्रेस आल्सो. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वक्त पे कोई एक्सपर्ट का कैंसिल हुआ, इवन दो द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम कम्स इन क्रंच कि क्या करेंगे, अभी एक्सपर्ट नहीं आ रहे. सो फ्रॉम एवरी सभी साइड से हमको ब्लेसिंग्स थे, सभी साइड से हमको बेस्ट विशेष थे. अदरवाइज 3 बजे किसी का लेक्चर है और आपको 2:30 बजे फोन आता है कि नहीं सर मेरे कंपनी में मीटिंग है, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल और आई नीड टू डिलीवर द लेक्चर. इट्स क्राइसिस 100%. एंड मुझे कोई डाउट नहीं था कि हमारे फैकल्टीज उसको मैनेज करती थी, बट वो करने का काम नहीं पड़ा. तो वी दैट्स व्हाई डिसिप्लिन इज रिक्वायर्ड. यस, टीम वर्क को दिख रहा है. मैकेनिकल के सभी फैकल्टी दे work wholeheartedly for the success of this program. किसी ने फैकल्टी को लाया, किसी ने खाने की अरेंजमेंट ली, किसी ने टी की ली, किसी ने एंकरिंग की ली, किसी ने अलग-अलग वैसे बाकी सब फैकल्टी से अच्छे से बात करने में दे सपोर्ट. सो व्हाट द मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग दे शो द टीम वर्क. आई रियली हैप्पी the teamwork and discipline and patience, the way you show in this FDP really मुझे अभी एमबीए में मैकेनिकल पे कोई डाउट नहीं लग रहा है. इसका मतलब बाकी डिपार्टमेंट पे होगा ऐसा नहीं है. Because now they know how to manage the show. 14 लोगों को मैनेज किया इंक्लूडिंग मी, क्योंकि 16 तारीख का लेक्चर अगेन क्योंकि कंटिन्यूअसली मेरा भी अलग-अलग सेशन चल रहे थे, तो टू ऑन विच टॉपिक, क्योंकि इंडस्ट्री के लोग आ रहे हैं और कौन से टॉपिक पे लेक्चर देना, सो आई टेक द अपॉर्चुनिटी कि हमारे कॉलेज में एमबीए, हाउ दैट इंडस्ट्री 4.0 के लिए एनईपी कैसा सपोर्ट करता है, हमारे कितने फ्यूअल्स सपोर्ट करते हैं, और आउट ऑफ 7 क्राइटेरिया how many criteria they support to industry 4.0. Yes, definitely. So first thanks to all faculty, then all speakers, then organizing team for organizing such a nice FDP. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, और सबसे अच्छा लगा कि उन्होंने इंडस्ट्री के स्पीकर लाए। बिकॉज़ नाउ इज अ टाइम, इफ अगर आप एनईपीपी की बात करते हो, इट्स अ स्किल ओरिएंटेड मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी अप्रोच, फ्लेक्सिबल स्किल ओरिएंटेड, एंड वी रिक्वायर अ ग्रेजुएट विद ग्लोबली कॉम्पिटेंट। ये तभी होगा जब फैकल्टी ग्लोबली कॉम्पिटेंट होगी। यस, सो आई वंस अगेन कांग्रेचुलेट, स्पेशल क्लास फॉर शैलेश डाफ सर एंड अंजिकर सर विद गाइडेंस ऑफ Kohani sir ने successfully completed everything. जो मैंने उनके एफर्ट देखे हैं, the way जो इधर उधर भागदौड़ कर रहे थे और ये सब, एंड जो लुक और जो एम्बियंस उन्होंने दिया है, रियली क्रेडिटेबल। और अगेन थैंक्स फॉर जो हमारा बॉन्ड आपने इंडस्ट्री के पर्सन के साथ किया है। अनडाउटेडली बाकी भी डिपार्टमेंट्स उसको स्ट्रेंथन करेंगे। इंडस्ट्री एकेडमिक लिंकेज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाउअडेज। सो मैंने कल परसों भी बोला था कि किताबों का ज्ञान भी जरूरी है, किताबों का ज्ञान भी जरूरी है, मशीनों की खनक भी जरूरी है। किताबों का ज्ञान भी जरूरी है और मशीनों की खनक भी जरूरी है। अगर कॉलेज और इंडस्ट्री हो साथ तो रोशन होती है प्रतिभा, चमकती भी रोशन होती है प्रतिभा, चमकती भी। थैंक यू एंड कांग्रेचुलेशन। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
ओके, समरी में एक बात छूट गई थी हमारी। एक्चुअली डॉक्टर विवेक वैद्य का जब सेशन हुआ था, आफ्टर दैट सेशन ही इंटरैक्ट विद द प्रिंसिपल सर, एचओडी सर, एंड ही गिव आवर कॉलेज एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट, यानी उनके यहाँ से अभी जो काम चालू है पोलैंड से एक्चुअली उनके पास वो डिलीवरी आ रही है। दे आर रेडी टू गिव दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट टू आवर इंस्टीट्यूशन। So they convey to their higher authority. After that, they finalize the budget of that particular project and the research grant. And it is an interdisciplinary project with the mechanical and AI and all the CSE department. We definitely done that particular project. And special thanks to our principal sir for giving this opportunity. कि सर से भी उनकी बात हुई है, सर ने उनको इंटरैक्ट किया है। आफ्टर दैट दे गिव द सब प्रोजेक्ट टू आवर इंस्टीट्यूशंस।
Thank you so much, sir. I request Principal Sir to kindly present certificate to Mr. Rajendra Dhandre Sir, Assistant Professor, JD College of Engineering, Nagpur. Thank you, sir. Now, to express our gratitude and respect, we now proceed with the memento distribution ceremony. So, I request Principal Sir to kindly present mementos to Dr. R.K. Pohani Sir, Conveyor, Dr. S.P. Dav Sir, Coordinator, and Dr. A.D. Anjikar Sir, Co-Coordinator of this FDP program. I also request sir to distribute certificates to our volunteers who contributed immensely to the successful organization of this FDP. I request all the volunteers to kindly come on dais.
बहुत अच्छा काम किया। मैं देख रहा फोटोग्राफी का फोटो पोस्ट नहीं करना है।
मैंने कहा